The best revenge is massive success. If opportunity does not knock, build a door. Good things come to those who believe. Better things come to those who are patient. And the best things come to those who just believe. People inspire you or they drain you. Choose them wisely. There's like a million different ways to say I love you. Put your seatbelt on. Did you eat? Get some rest. You just have to listen. Wrong is wrong even if everyone is doing it. Right is right even if no one is doing it. If you want to be strong, learn how to fight alone. Don't worry about failure. You only have to be right once. I have to be successful because I love expensive shit. Respect yourself enough to walk away from anything that no longer serves you, grows you, or makes you happy. The best relationship is when you can act like lover and best friend at the same time. You cannot throw me to the wolves. They come when I call. Do what is right even if you are flying solo. Life is all about taking risk. If you never take a risk, you will never achieve your dreams. If you want something bad, go get it. Negativity is sneaky. It's fresh day. Don't let any bad vibes creep in. We don't meet people by accident. They are meant to cross our path for a reason. If you really want something, you will find a way. If you don't, you will find an excuse. A beautiful dress can change the personality, but beautiful behavior can change the life. Arrive as a king, live as a legend, be remembered as a gentleman. You have made the right decision when there is peace in your heart and freedom in your soul. Everything you do is based on the choice you make. It's not your parents, your past relationships, your job, the economy, the weather, and argument, or your age that is to blame. You and only you are responsible for every decision and choice you make, period. A good relationship is worth the wait. Arguing with stupid people is like killing the mosquito on your cheek. You might or might not kill it, but you will end up slapping yourself.